All right, we started off with 1 pound of our broccoli. Now I'm coming in with half an onion diced right on top of our broccoli. I'm using the red onion because we are not cooking this, and red onion is best for when you're not cooking. Oh, it smells so good already. Now I'm coming in with some cooked bacon, and we are just gonna go ahead and slice up our bacon right into our 13x9 aluminum pan with our broccoli and our onion. Now, if you don't like bacon or pork, you can add some chicken or some tuna to this recipe, but I really think that the bacon complements all these other flavors just beautifully, and you can add as little or as much as you like, but I'm gonna add 1 whole package of bacon, which is about 12 slices. So just cut it up super quick into your delicious little potluck meal. All right, we added all of our bacon. Now we're gonna come in with 1 bag of our triple cheddar shredded cheese. Try to say that 3 times fast, it's impossible. And we're gonna add that whole bag. You can add whatever cheese you like. I just personally think the triple cheddar goes delicious with bacon. So we're gonna add 1 bag of that. Now I'm gonna bring in my measuring cup and a little whisk. And into that measuring cup, I'm gonna add a cup of sour cream. That looks close enough. And then into that sour cream, we're gonna grab our mayo. I have my Duke's mayo, which is my personal favorite. I grabbed the lighter version this time. And we are gonna put a cup of mayo in there as well. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so delicious, you guys. Doesn't need to be perfectly measured, just eyeball it. Next, I'm coming in with my apple cider vinegar. We are kind of making a little dressing here with our sour cream, our mayo. So we just need to add a little bit of this to make it thinner and make it taste even better. Now we gotta season this. So of course I'm gonna come in with some sea salt, and we're going to add a decent amount of sea salt right in there. You can skip this if you're worried about your sodium, but this is gonna flavor the whole dish, so I like to add it. Then to complement those onions, we're gonna add some onion powder. Remember to season well. Now, of course, you guys know I have to add black pepper to all of my savory dishes. All right, that looks great. Now, this last ingredient is optional, but I really think it ties in all the flavors. I'm just gonna add a pinch of sugar to our dressing. Most dressings have sugar in it anyways, just a little sweetener. You can even use stevia if that's what you prefer. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of sugar, not too much. We're not going crazy. Bring in our whisk, and it's time to mix these together. Oh my, this easy, no bake, no oven, perfect dish for this hot weather is so great for potlucks. It tastes amazing. If you love broccoli, this is the dish for you. I personally love broccoli. It's always been my favorite vegetable. And this is a great way to get kids to eat their broccoli, because this dressing with the cheese and the bacon is the best way to eat broccoli. All right, once that is fully mixed, it is time to get this right on top of our broccoli salad. Oh yeah, look how good that looks. It looks like a better version of a ranch. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. Okay, let's get all of this out. I'll grab my spatula. Has a little mayo on it, but there's mayo in it, so it doesn't hurt. Okay, we do not want this to go to waste. Perfect. All right, you guys know it. It's time to mix this. I want to make sure everything gets coated in that homemade dressing. Oh my goodness, this all looks beautifully covered. It is time to give this a try. Ideally, you would want to put this in the fridge for a few hours before serving, but I just got to taste test this. Just do a small scoop to try before I bring it to the potluck. Gotta make sure it tastes good before you feed it to your friends. Oh yeah, okay. Gotta love broccoli. perfectly seasoned and fresh.